Every day, addiction steals hope from individuals and families in our community. A mother wonders if her child will survive another night. A spouse struggles to hold a family together. A person trapped in addiction wonders if anyone still cares. At First Contact, we walk beside those individuals and families. We offer support, guidance, resources, and hope, all at no cost to those who need it most. But we can't do it alone. Our ministry is built on 10,000 square feet of space. That's why we've launched Sponsor a Square. We're inviting caring people like you to sponsor 1 square foot for just $10 a month. Your $10 monthly sponsorship helps build a lasting foundation for this ministry, making it possible to continue serving those battling addiction and supporting families on the path to hope and healing. When enough people sponsor a square, those individual donations come together to create a powerful impact throughout our community. In fact, I personally experienced the transformative power of the love of God through this ministry 8 years ago. I sponsored my square. Will you sponsor a square today? Visit us on the web at firstcontactwnc.org or give us a call at 828-435-2180 to become part of the foundation of hope. Sponsor a square. Every square matters because every life matters.